Howdy friends, Russell here, coming to you from the shop once again. As I've said in the previous video, we were preparing the CJ-7 for primer and paint. We had the body filler put on. I just needed to do some sanding. I've got most of that sanding done, and there's a couple spots we've had to add some more body filler on to kind of smooth out the ripples in the panel a little bit more. And then we'll sand it again and shoot come back, shoot primer and paint on it. Really what I wanted to do in this video, besides show you the panels where we've added the extra polyester to, is I kind of want to ask you, the audience, a question. I said before that my normal body and paint guy couldn't get to the vehicle, but he was going to help me out. One of the things he's helped me out with is allowed me to order my primer, clear coats at his cost. Second thing he's going to do for me is he's offering to give me paint free of charge, a gallon of it. The problem is I only got two colors I can choose from. Now they're both factory BMW colors. The first one is called a Phytonic Blue, and as you can see from the photo we've put up right now, very brilliant, deep metallic blue. It's used on the X line of BMW vehicles. As well as some others. I think the 3 Series and 5 Series uses it as well. The second color I have an option to get from him is called a Marina Bay Blue. Same thing, as you can see from the photograph, very deep blue, more of a purplish tint in it. Very bright color. I really like both colors. The Marina Bay is also used, as I said before, it's used on the X lines, which is how we're getting access to it. The factory's just up the road, but it's used on the X lines as well as the 3s and 5s. So let me know in the comment section what y'all think about the two color choices. I can't pass up getting a gallon of paint for free, so that's, and I wanted blue anyway, so why not? But coming back to the Jeep for now, I'm going to pick the camera up, show you the two spots that we I had to add some more filler to, kind of really smooth that panel out. So let me get this camera picked up. Now, as you can see, we've already, I've already feathered out and sanded most of the spots that we already had. There's still some rippling in this lower rocker on both sides. I'm not too concerned with that. I've got rocker guards that are going to be installed over the rocker panels anyway. So get it mostly smooth and straight. That's my biggest goal there. But in the previous video, you could see there was a pretty nasty ripple line on the rear quarters on both sides, and it's caused by where the spot welds meet the interior of the tub, time, stretch, heat cycles, whatever. So we've had to add a second coat of polyester filler, and we'll have to let that cure and knock it down. And I'll walk around and show you the other side as well. But like I said before, we've got all the filling done. I just really wanted to smooth these rear quarters out a lot better, and I think this second coat will do it. That patch panel we welded in there, it's nice and smoothed over again. Same thing with this rocker. It's got a little waviness to it, but like I said, I've got huge rocker guards with a step in it that are going to go in there, and then of course a little filler on the top of the fenders just to kind of give them more of a glassed out look. So that's all we got for now. Like I said before, if you like this content, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you know future content coming up, and there's more to follow.